निचे बाङ्गिने होला नि ठाउँमा राख्नु पर्ने भयो। यहाँ त मृगहरू पनि आउँछन्, रानीहरू बसेका हुन्छन्। पहिले त सफा गर्नु पर्यो। फाइनली अब हामी चाहिँ आइपुगिसकेका छौँ। यहाँ चाहिँ काम गर्नुपर्ने धेरै छ। ठ्याक्कै भरिने पनि अनि बन्द पनि गर्ने भएको व्यवस्था भइसकेको छ। पानी चाहिँ भरेर चाहिँ पहिला चाहिँ यहाँदेखि यताको भाग यो माटोले पुग्नु पर्ने। यहाँ चाहिँ माटो पहिले पुग्दा थुपारेको थियो।
We were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you, and I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. Thought about a seat and breakfast in my bed. We were holding hands, I was making plans of future.
सो गाइज हामी बिहान करिब 11 बजे यहाँ आएका थियौँ। आजको काम यति नै। आजको काम कस्तो लाग्यो मन परेमा लाइक कमेन्ट सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु नभुल्नु होला। भिडियो हेरेकोमा धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद।